guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about another program from the ICSE 10 question paper. Write a program to input a string and print out the text with uppercase and lowercase letters reversed. But all the characters should remain the same as before, right? So here one input output sample is also given. So basically what we have to do, we have to convert all the uppercase to lowercase letters and vice versa, right? So suppose our input string is this one. Now what would be the output? W is capital, so it would become small w. E is capital, so it would become capital E. L is small, so it would become capital. So likewise. Okay. So this would be our output. So other characters, suppose this is the space, here is also a space, that would be intact. For example, we have also some letters that is not a character or an alphabet. So for that also it would be intact. Only alphabets would be swapped. The case would be swapped. Uppercase would become lowercase and lowercase would become uppercase. Okay. Now for that what we are going to utilize, we would be utilizing the methods of the character wrapper class. Now what is a wrapper class? In this video I would also talk about wrapper class. Now wrapper class is that class that is made for supplying some methods to work with primitive values. So primitive data types are integer, boolean, double, int, short, long, byte, character. So these are all primitive values, primitive data types that are already supplied with Java. Now wrapper class concept comes here where, because for those values also we need some methods to manipulate with that. For example, converting an integer to string or a string to integer, converting a double to a boolean string or a string to a boolean. So these are some basic functions that we might need, and for that reason only Java has provided us wrapper class. So for char we have character. The data type is char small letters, but the class name of the wrapper class corresponding to char data type is character, C is capital. For int we have integer and likewise, right? So these classes have some inbuilt methods that helps us to operate on the respective data types. Okay. Now for this one, for the character wrapper class, we have these methods like character dot is uppercase. Note that if we pass a parameter here, the character parameter here, this method checks whether that input parameter is uppercase or not. Similarly, we also have character dot is lowercase. Mind that U capital, C capital, and for lowercase also is small, lowercase L capital, case C capital. Okay. So basically, if we have these methods, they return either true or false. So basically we can combine that in the if statements, right? So these methods from the character wrapper class inputs the character and checks whether it's uppercase or lowercase. This one checks uppercase or not, this one checks lowercase or not. Now we also have a set of methods that converts from uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. For example, we have character dot to lowercase. Now if the input parameter ch is uppercase character, it will get converted into a lowercase. So this is going to return a character. Okay. The previous one is going to return boolean values, true or false. Last one is going to return as a character. To lowercase converts this character to uppercase to lowercase, and same we have for uppercase also. If we run character dot to uppercase, then this method converts this input character ch into uppercase. So for converting from lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase, or checking whether it is uppercase or lowercase, we have these methods written in which class? We have these methods written in character wrapper class. So this is also a very popular question, what is a wrapper class, and you can prepare that for your theory questions that is going to come in the board paper. Now with this knowledge we would start the program. Now suppose I have taken the input the sentence whatever we have. So let me write that and then I would explain sequentially. Now I am taking the string as an input, string ACNT sent for sentence. Now I have that sentence as an input. Now what I will do, I would check, right? I would check the characters. So for that, to obtain each of the characters, I have to generate the index loop. Okay, the index for a string, we have that index, right? At 0th index we have W, at first index we have E, and so on. So to extract these characters, I have to mention the index values, right? The index is very important for string and array. So I have to generate that index. Index starts from 0 to length minus 1, right? So I have to run a for loop whose value starts from 0 to the length minus 1 of that input string. So send dot length minus 1, it's a method, so I have to give brackets. For array length function we don't have brackets, okay, note that. Now I have generated the index. Now I have to extract the character at these indexes, right? I have to extract these characters. So for that I have to utilize another library function method, char add, that is written in which class? That is written inside string class. So char ch is equals to acnt dot char add, character at index I. So basically I am extracting the character at index I, right? Now that index that I have extracted, I have to check whether it's uppercase or lowercase, right? So here comes our logic. If character dot is uppercase ch, I have to convert that into lowercase, right? Now I would simply write system out dot print. Note that I am not writing print ln, right? Because I want to print the characters side by side. So that's why I have written print, not print ln. Please note very carefully this line. What I would print? I would print character dot to lowercase ch. So if it is a uppercase letter, I have to convert that to lowercase, right? Now if after that we have to give another else if now for the vice versa, like if the character is lowercase, then what will happen? It would be converted into uppercase. So if it is lowercase, character dot is lowercase ch, then we have to print the uppercase, right? Character dot to uppercase ch. Okay, so if it is a uppercase character, we have to convert that to lowercase, character dot to lowercase. If it is a lowercase character, ch is lowercase, then you have to convert to uppercase. So we have converted uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase with the help of the wrapper class method. And after that, the program does not end here. If else if. So if it is uppercase and lowercase, it's sorted out. What about it is neither uppercase nor lowercase? Means it's a character that is not a letter. Means this space or these digits, any special character symbols, that will not be converted to uppercase or lowercase. So for that I have to keep a else condition. So here I am writing continue, means after here we are continuing over here. So else we have to print whatever we have extracted ch, that we would only print. Okay, no conversion needed. Then we have to end the for loop. So end of for loop, and then function class closed. So that was the logic of the for. So everything is written inside the for loop. We have generated the index. The index starts from 0 to length minus 1. Then I have extracted the character ch. Now if that ch is an uppercase letter, then I have to convert that to lowercase. Note that I have used print statement everywhere because I am going to print that side by side. So if it is uppercase, I am converting that to lowercase and printing in the terminal window. If it is a lowercase character, I am converting that to uppercase and printing in the terminal window. Else means it is neither uppercase nor lowercase, then what it can be? It can be some character that is not a letter, because letters can only be uppercase or lowercase. So other than letters, if it's other than letters, means special symbols or space character, for that we would print whatever we have. So it would not interfere with the characters that are not letters. So that string would be intact. So then we are printing the character whatever we have extracted in this line. Then we are closing the for loop and function class is closed. So this program is going to chop out each character in this line with the help of the index generated by the for loop, and then it will convert uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase and print in the terminal screen. And you run this code and see the output how it looks like. And meanwhile, if you have any queries, let me know. I would be happy to help you. Subscribe the channel, and it takes a lot of efforts to create one video, and it's your duty to pay me back with your love. Okay, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.